Hello po! Magandang umaga po. This is Flor again and I'm here to share the 8 benefits of online business. But before everything, gusto pong batiin ang aking mentor, si Lizelle, coach and mentor Lizelle Stevens ng happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday! And si Coach Dayan sa another huge milestone niya at ng kanyang husband, Freddie Mendoza. Congratulations on the success of your business. Sila po ang aking mentee, ang rockstar friend namin dito sa Australia, and they are really rocking this business. So, mag-umpisa po ulit tayo sa umpisa. Yung benefits ng online business, number 1, babasahin ko na, ay multiple income stream. And I'm so glad to bring the news to everyone na meron po tayong bagong product na ila-launch tomorrow, another streams of income dito sa aming online or digital business. Number 2 is legitimate business. This is a legitimate business. You don't need, number 3, you don't need any experience. Number 4, it has limitless freedom and flexibility. Number 5, low overheads. Number 6, it is global. Number 7, online business is 90% done for you system. And number 8, we leverage through the internet. You can't be an online business or digital business without leveraging through the internet. We use the internet almost every day. So, kayo rin po ang boss. It's up to you if you want to run your business every day. And ano pong magagawa ng internet? It will help your online business grow fast. And next week, sasabihin ko po sa inyo kung bakit important ang internet. For now, mag-umpisa na po ang aming live workshop, and this is global. And I am inviting you to attend our global live workshop starting at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And if you are watching from other parts of the globe, simply check your country time zone. Okay po, bye for now, and thank you very much for watching, and God bless! See you soon!